Hello, I'm Mommy Lani Ramstrom, and I am very glad to be here today. I live in San Diego, and this is where I am right now. I've been doing hooponopono since 1983. So for me, this is my way of life. This is how I approach life every day, every moment. And of course, I forget. I forget what I'm supposed to be doing, but I keep coming back to this as a way of life. This is how I function, it's how I relate to things. And it is from the small to the big, and everything that works in my life or is functioning around me is some reflection of how I feel about myself and my family and my inner family. And that relationship that I have with that inner family is reflected in every single part of the world. So, for example, last night I was gluing back together a piece of pottery that had broken. So I had this very strong glue and I had used it before. And so I got it out and I was trying to take the top off and it wouldn't budge. And I put a cloth around it. I'm using all my strength. It wouldn't move. So I get out the pliers, and this is a tool. And I tried to wedge it all around and not moving. I got bigger pliers, wedging it around, still not moving. So then, oh, I remembered, okay. And I started cleaning and I said to the glue, don't you want to fulfill your divine purpose? And then I took it up again with just the towel this time and very gently tried to move it, and it just opened. So here I am trying with all my effort to try and open this glue that was holding on, just hanging out, being glue. And all I had to do was clean and then reach out. And the glue was glad to be a part of this project. And within a few minutes, it was done. So it was such a great reminder to me that Ho'oponopono is about not just the big things in life. How do I make money or how do I find love? But it's also these tiny little things that happen on a day-to-day basis that we can make our lives smoother and more peaceful by just being willing to clean, step back, and realize I can be responsible. So it's really this long journey through this world of all these identities that I am now a part of. I'm one of these identities in the world, not more important, not less important, but I get to find my divine place in the world by being willing to be responsible, by taking care of myself, by cleaning, by being really clear with myself that every moment I have this choice to clean. And it's been a beautiful journey. So it's, 39 years now that I've been doing this. And it was always clear from the moment I heard about it to the first time I went to a lecture. It was so clear. Oh, that's what I'm going to do with my life. And that is what I've been doing.